Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find the length of this one in here. So we have the function. So because we have the absolute value of s and we need to find the length from negative number 2 to positive number 2. So we will have two functions in here. 2 minus s when s is greater than or equals to when s is greater than or equal to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 2. 2 minus with negative s. That's it for negative sign here. Negative with negative, we have positive. So, in this situation, we need to create about two intervals from negative number 2 to number 0 and from 0 to positive number 2. So, if we do first the derivative of this one. So, for the first one, we have negative number 1. The second one, that should be about positive number 1. Next, we apply the formula in here. So we have the integration from 0 to number 2, and we have the square root 1 plus, we put this value on here, and that's about negative number 1. And the second one from negative number 2 to 0, and we put number 1 on here. So we have the square root of number 2. The integration of this one, we have s. Similar for this one. So we put number 2 and number 0 in here. Similar for the second one. And we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.